Misfits! How are you? Welcome to my home. Come in. Hi, Auntie. Thank you for having Misfits.
Complete the sentence. I'm a misfit because
I'm literally holding my shoes in one hand and then their clothes and towels in one hand. We made this house just before our babies were born and we wanted to be all white. This is our room.
amazing.
We don't have really nanny and all, but then we have a good team. My husband is the biggest support.
So we want to talk about Kainat now, which is your brand. You design stunning clothes, styled so many celebrities like Rakul Preet, Sunny Leone, Manushi Chiller. How was the experience working with them?
When I'll style Kareena Kapoor, that day I'll feel that I have done something very big. I started dating when I was 19 years old, and then I dated him for 10 years.
हमारा भी chance तो है, हमारे लिए भी भगवान ने किसी को तो बनाया.
I hope so. पर मेरे ख्याल से वो टाइम कुछ और था, वो लोग कुछ और थे.
एक साल 2 साल में सबका डिवोर्स हो जाता है.
काफी शादियां just for social media, like they look very good.
Welcome to my La La Land.
We feel like getting married now.
भी थोड़े दिन पहले किसी का मैसेज आया था. English 0% and accent 2000%.
Do we have a podcast today?
No.
Then what are we doing?
घर चले?
Meaning?
Come with me.
Hi Misfits, how are you? Welcome to my home. Come in. Hi Auntie, thank you for having Misfits. I'm so excited. Welcome to my home. These are my twinnies. Oh, twin girls. Just come. Beware, baby alert. You wanna come? Good morning, okay. Come. It's okay. Come. Oh, Rihanna says hi.
Please come.
Oh, she gonna be your best friend if you just let her be.
I got a new best friend.
Oh, Rihanna. Chalo.
Hi, auntie.
ये मेरे कायनात के all my कायनाts people, they are here to help us out today.
Hi, guys.
Hi. Come, let's go. He's my homemaker. Obviously homemaker, my life maker, everything. He's the Shant. This is our drawing room. We actually made this house just before our babies were born. So we made this house just before our babies were born and we wanted to be all white.
Okay. Was there a plan? Why did you plan this whole thing before the babies?
So we wanted to be all white and we wanted a lot of space because we knew.
Yes.
In fact, my husband was better at it. He has only designed my studio in this house. He has designed it. Yeah.
So all the designers, huh?
All the
Interior.
designers, yes. Interior
All
and
creative people.
creative people.
Wow,
Yes,
That's
yes.
great. That's great.
Come.
So I want to tell you that today why we are doing is because
Yes,
people
please.
know the social media personality that you are and the amazing businesswoman that you are. But we wanted to show the other side of you, which is a homemaker, a mother, a daughter-in-law.
And completely unknown to people.
Yes.
So let's show you the house around.
Come, baby. Aju, come. Do you want to come?
You want to come, Rihanna?
Hi.
Say hi. This is our guest room.
Oh, beautiful.
I'll tell you a small story regarding this guest room. So when the babies were born, there was this habit of theirs that they used to sleep in the washroom with the fan on, exhaust and a fan on, and they have spent almost 4-5 months in the washroom sleeping we used to make them sleep and then go to take them to the room.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's very beautiful memory of this guest room. Otherwise, we don't use it.
So this is our room, right?
Yes, this is your room basically. Next comes the most beautiful place of this house is their nursery.
Oh, can I sleep here?
Oh my God, it's so.
So nice. You have designed it?
My husband, of course, he has designed this.
Wow.
And we had 2 big cots made for them and we never used them. So just recently my husband said that why don't you put up an Insta story? Maybe they get sold out.
Yeah.
And you won't believe I got over 200 PPs and next day those cots were sold out.
Okay, so you have a business idea.
Imagine. And I was like, why don't we start this business only,
So Achal जिस चीज को touch करती है सोच के सोएगा.
Basically, like I told you, people want to know the BTS,
Yeah.
the behind the scenes.
Yeah.
And this is the place where we most live. This is my favorite place. This is our room.
Amazing.
Lovely.
Just love the colors and the combination. So nice.
See, and it's so like
Yeah.
different.
I know.
white
Abhi,
rice.
still, so this is the part where I love to be at, and basically this is the space where we are at home all the time. The kids are playing, and abhi to humne thoda sa obviously it's all the mess is clean. But then this is the place where I cannot be without now. Yeah.
Sure. So,
Oh, what? You wanna go? You wanna go?
We can just chill here and
Yes.
है ना?
हाँ.
I think यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा girls scene होते होंगे. Gossip session is happening here.
नहीं, gossip तो क्या? Gossip तो दूर की बात है ना.
With your husband.
Yeah, maybe.
हाँ, with your husband. Husband के साथ 24/7 we are on gossip. You know, Dishant, this happened. You know, Dishant, now we are going to sell Malaika. You know, Dishant, now there's a client, I don't like her behavior and all that. ये सब वहाँ पर 24/7 चलता है.
Wow.
Right?
Great. So you get your inspiration from hearing it.
Uh,
Design here like.
Not really,
Not
not
really.
really. I don't really sit here.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby, tick. You want?
Is
That is candle.
So Anshul, walk us through your day. What all do you do, and like share some rituals that you do throughout the day.
So basically my day starts with my twins, of course, their cuddles, and morning is a rush. Like I'm literally holding my shoes in one hand and then their clothes and towels in one hand. So that is how we start about. I give them bath, get them ready. I take them to my work every day. They are with me 24/7.
Oh my.
So we're just rushing in the morning, and then it's all about shoots. We go to our studio, shoots, and clients, appointments, then come babies' food, then their park time. So all the work and the babies go hand in hand. When once I'm back, I really don't, now is the time when I don't really see my phone. And when I come back, my entire time is for my husband, my babies, and my family. And I think when they sleep like around 11, 12, 10, then I pick up the phone and check all the 30, 40 WhatsApp messages. So this is what it's like a roller coaster after the babies. It's definitely challenging, but I am loving every bit of it. Yeah.
That's great.
You're sure you're loving. I mean, they're such cuties, both of them.
Yeah. But juggling between so many roles like homemaker, now a parent, and a working woman, how do you manage it all? Like,
See, I don't manage. It's a chaos, big time chaos. But I think that is something I have embraced it. And I'll tell you just one thing, that motherhood has changed me so beautifully. My mother tells me that, Anshul, I've never seen you this patient in your entire life. Whereas, many mothers become very frustrated and everything. And that is what people want to know, that why are you not frustrated or angry or something? Because I don't know, they have given me so much patience, and I always wanted them from such a long time. I always take them to my work, reason being I don't want to leave them behind. If they are with me with my work at my workplace, I'm happy. If they are with me, even if they're crying, which they do many times, of course, but if they are with me, I know that nothing can go wrong. So managing, I just take one thing at a time. And then we have, obviously, we don't have really nanny and all, but then we have a good team. My husband is the biggest support in my life and my work, and it happens. Everything happens if you know that what you want, it manages.
like
Yeah.
they give you strength.
They give me strength,
They
definitely.
give you strength,
They
right?
teach you patience too, and two of them and double the patience.
Yeah.
Yes,
And they're
totally.
so cute.
I know.
They're
I
so
know.
cute. And
So-
how old they are?
They are 1 year 3 months now.
So we want to talk about Kainat now, which is your brand. You design stunning clothes. And so we want to understand, like you've styled so many people, so many celebrities, like Rakul Preet, Sunny Leone, Manushi Chilla. How was the experience working with them?
I started bridal 4 years before, but
Yeah.
Kainat is 10-year-old brand. And once I started doing bridals, I always knew that this is what one of the points I wanted to reach for styling celebrities. And of course, there's pressure while styling them. You don't want to mess things up. But with pressure, I think my designs become more sharper every time,
Yeah.
and it's a beautiful feeling. The first celeb when you style in your life, it's like wow moment, and I remember everybody's faces in my family at my work that wow, Achal, you did it.
Yeah.
And my husband was like, I told you. He always says that I told you that you will reach places. So it's just the starting of styling celebrities, and I am just looking forward to style many. And my favorite one forever has always been Kareena Kapoor.
Oh.
I know.
You look like her.
Bebo.
Yes.
This one thing is on my mind that when I'll style Kareena Kapoor, that day I'll feel that I have done something very big. Yeah.
I'm sure you're going to do it very soon, and we will cover it on social media.
Definitely. Oh, you know, his Dharma uncle is very famous on Instagram with me. Every
Really?
day I put up his stories and people are messaging me. Who is Dharma uncle? हमें भी दे दो एक Dharma uncle.
Hi, Dharma uncle. Thank you.
Dharma uncle, hi कर
Thank
दो.
you.
Hi, thank you. You have a really strong team. Like we can
yes,
sense it. Very
yes,
strong team.
yes,
I think they are like a family only.
They are my family. Without them, I don't think so. So when I'm in a shoot, obviously babies are in front of me, but then someone has to take care.
Right.
And my Kainat studio, their
Mm.
family, they are amazing. They are not working to take care of my babies, of course, but
Right.
then it's like natural. It comes naturally to them. They have seen me pregnant. They have seen me vomiting. They've seen me shooting, so it comes naturally to
Yeah.
them that they are their babies also. So you know, it says that it takes a village to raise a baby, and I
Right.
think I have found my village, my home, and my studio.
Touch
Yeah.
for you're very lucky. And but more than luck, I think it's your hard work also. You have put in, you have not given up. And I think during COVID, you really took social media
Yes.
really seriously.
Yes.
And what a response you have got. And
Totally.
you, I think you have a really strong following.
Ah,
People love you, people love your styling.
Yeah.
So how do you feel about it?
Of course, success is beautiful, you know,
Right.
but I always want to remain ground to earth because success can go over your mind.
Yeah.
And I always keep giving chances to many people around me because from somewhere I also came, right? So if I don't give the new people the chance to grow, then how will they grow? They have to reach, to start from
Right.
somewhere, they have to reach somewhere. So that is what, and it feels good when people are just messaging you, tell me what lip shade you're wearing,
Yeah.
where are you, and everything. And I always reply to every comment and to every DM. I make sure that I reply myself only.
That's how you build this family.
Yes.
Because they actually feel that you're listening to them and that you respond to them and that each one of them matters to you.
And I think I've always seen you speaking about like help new talent. You're the always one is like keep promote new people,
Yeah.
promote new makeup artists, work with them, give chances to new designers. And I've seen this thing in you.
Yeah.
You're always promoting and uplifting others around you. And but a lot of people doesn't believe in that and doesn't do that.
I know, you know, I would not take names, of course, but when
We want you to take names. 3 girls, come on.
No point taking names because
Obviously,
it
we
will
respect
just
that.
it will just start another conversation.
Right.
But when I started, I wanted to work with a certain kind of people, and they always have their mindset that we have already reached there. So why will why would we want to work with a new person? But then they forget this thing that they were also given a chance by
Right.
some renowned already people, and then they reached here. It's not, for example, I'll give you a very good example, which Deepika Padukone. She, in between her movies, were continuously flopping, and suddenly Ram Leela came. So if Sanjay Leela Bansali would have thought that flop actress and I'm giving work, she wouldn't have become after what she became in Ram Leela, because he didn't believe that her movies were flopping. He believed in her talent. So that is what people don't really see, and that's what I'm saying. Success is not really handled by a lot of people. So you should always give chance to people. You never know. Your destiny will not be shared by destiny. If you like their work, you should give them work.
Right. I think it's always good to always give back to people because that's how you grow.
Yes.
Yeah. So, what are your plans for Kaina? How are you like planning it?
Paris Fashion Week very soon. You have a dream, like you are planning.
Yes, in fact, I got offers like from past 2 years, but we couldn't go. I got pregnant, and then obviously next 1 year. So yes, definitely Paris Fashion Week is on my, and then global domination.
Yeah.
I want that,
Right.
like my stores in different parts of the world. And I also want to, introduce a light clothing line
Prep wear.
because, yeah, Pretwear. I started with that only, and then
Mm.
obviously bridal doesn't give you really a chance to
Yeah.
open that line very soon. But I want to make a store or something
Mm.
that amongst all the bridal wear, you have the pret wear as well. So
Yeah.
yes, maybe in next 5 years we will be seeing that super soon.
For
Can't
sure, all the
wait.
best, all the best. And then we really want you to be very, very successful because we believe in that and we believe in empowering other women.
Definitely.
So we definitely see that you're reaching that point.
Yeah.
Obviously, and personality like you inspires so many girls that they can have it all: a good home, a
Yes,
good mom
yes,
life, a good working space, and
totally.
like you make it look easy.
And show that.
Yeah.
But there's lot on my plate right now, and I would love to people see everything, whatever I'm trying to do, because that's what now they want to see. They have seen my passion, now they want to see me.
Obviously, because you're influencing all the right things,
Yeah.
but in a right manner. We're not overdoing it, but we love your page. Like,
Thank
we love
you,
the
thank
vibe.
you.
So you got married when you were very young, I guess.
No. I started dating when I was 19 years old, and I got married when I was 28. And it's almost like 2 decades now, of entire life being together.
It actually gives us hope, guys. Like, हमारा भी chance तो है. हमारे लिए भी भगवान ने किसी को तो बनाया.
I hope so. पर मेरे ख्याल से वो टाइम कुछ और था, वो लोग कुछ और थे.
ये भी fact है.
देखो ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि बहुत ही स्मूथ रोड थी. बहुत बार ब्रेकअप हुआ है, बहुत
Yeah.
बार आफ्टर मैरिज ऑल्सो हमने बहुत 2 years तक फाइट करी है. एंड देयर वाज अ पॉइंट व्हेन वी थॉट दैट 2 years इनिशियल मैरिज, इफ यू सर्वाइव, योर मैरिज विल बी ब्यूटीफुल ऑल लाइक. तभी तो आजकल कोई नोबडी 1 साल 2 साल में सबका डिवोर्स हो जाता है, बिकॉज इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट टू एडजस्ट. एंड these days people are they're so habitual in living in their own way. कोई एडजस्ट नहीं कर पाता है. तो इट्स जस्ट हमने इसलिए कर लिया ऑनेस्टली बिकॉज हम बहुत टाइम से साथ थे, एंड वी हैड सच स्ट्रॉन्ग ट्रू लव. सो देयर वाज वन फाइन डे जब 2 years हो चुके थे एंड वी वर टायर्ड ऑफ फाइटिंग कि अलग हो जाते हैं. That's true. And हमने सोचा चलो अब अलग हो जाते हैं, अब नहीं रह सकते. But then when the sky settled, and you were like, do we really want to live together? Can we make it? And we decided कि अब सब पीछे छोड़ के let's start afresh, because we can't live without each other. And that love holds you. That is the only love holds you. There's
Giving
nothing
up
else.
is not option.
गिविंग अप इज नॉट एन ऑप्शन. आई मीन क्या होगा, दूसरी मैरिज में भी सेम ही चीजें होंगी, राइट? एंड प्लस आई अंडरस्टैंड कि जो बाकी के लोग होते हैं उनमें नहीं होती या जो भी है, बट होना चाहिए. मैरिज इज नॉट इजी रोड, बट आपको अगर एक दूसरे के साथ रहना है, सो यू हैव टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज. एंड मी एंड ही आर बोथ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग हेडेड पर्सन. यू नो मी ऑफ कोर्स, आप देखिए हो कितना कितना ज्यादा हम दोनों है. तो उसके बाद वी मीट बोथ adjusted, compromised, sacrificed, did a lot of things, but by our own will. And now touch wood by God's grace.
Touch wood. But हमने देखा है, like it's not like काफी शादियां it's just for social media, like they look very good, but we have seen you guys together and it's amazing. Like seriously, touch wood.
So really it's we are in a very happy place. And then जब we started getting better, then we decided, I think वो God ने decide करा कि हम कब कब हमें babies होने चाहिए and all that. Because after 2 years 4 years तक तो we did not have babies, right? And उसके बाद now we are just seeing big fat happy family.
touch wood.
So Anshul, tell us about your pregnancy journey. We are aware that it was not that smooth. You had a lot of hurdles that you were trying. So do you want to tell us about it?
It was not natural pregnancy, it was IVF. And we tried for good 3 years. And I was like कि चलो ठीक है. मैं कभी भी IVF के उसमें नहीं थी, not because of any reason. I was like चलो natural हो जाएगा. And then obviously we had to take IVF because नहीं हो रहा था. And I had one thing on my mind कि IVF means कि कराया और हो गया, मतलब इसमें तो श्योर है कि हो ही जाएगा. सो मेरा माइंडसेट ही वही था. एंड आई वाज लाइक चलो वाओ IVF करा दिया फर्स्ट. मतलब ठीक है, वो जो इंजेक्शंस वगैरह होते हैं, ऑनेस्टली अगर मैं बताऊं तो बहुत लोग कहते हैं पेनफुल होता है एंड ऑल दैट. मेरे लिए IVF पेनफुल नहीं था. रीजन बीइंग अगेन आई वुड से द सेम थिंग, वी वांटेड अ चाइल्ड सो बैड दैट वो जो इंजेक्शंस थे और वो जो जर्नी थी हॉस्पिटल जाने की, दैट वाज नथिंग. इन फैक्ट वी वर वेरी एक्साइटेड कि वाओ वी आर अबाउट टू हैव अ बेबी. सो मेरे लिए वो इतना ज़्यादा नहीं प्रेशराइजिंग था. एंड देन सब कुछ हो गया, एग्स बहुत अमेजिंग आ गए एंड फर्स्ट IVF का रिजल्ट आया है एंड इट गॉट फेल्ड. सो आई वॉज शॉक्ड बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि IVF में फेल भी हो सकते हैं. एंड वी वर गेटिंग इट डन फ्रॉम सच अ रिनाउंड हॉस्पिटल, मतलब पूरा इंडिया का वन ऑफ द बेस्ट है वो. एंड इट गॉट फेल्ड एंड आई वॉज लिटिल शुक. बट देन आई वॉज लाइक चलो वी कैन ट्राई अगेन बिकॉज आवर डॉक्टर सेड कि हो जाता है. एंड हमने हमने मेरे पास बहुत सारे एग्स थे, वेरी वेरी गुड एग्स, एंड एवरीथिंग वाज परफेक्ट. देन वी गॉट द सेकंड IVF डन लाइक इन 2 months only. And that moment I remember, it was July near to my birthday, and we were really hoping कि अब तो हो ही जाएगा, and then it got failed again. So those 5 days I can't forget because it was so depressing. I mean, the reason was कि there was no reason. And we checked, doctor checked everything. The eggs were so good, the uterus was amazing, and I used to always hear from all the doctors that everything is so perfect in your body, your husband's body, there's nothing wrong. क्योंकि अगर कोई reason पता हो तो उसको treat कर सकते हैं, right? जब reason ही नहीं पता तो why it is getting failed? And then जो doctor थी, she was very close to me. I know her from very long time, and those 5 days I was literally एक kind of, मतलब I used to just stare and think that why it's not happening. And उसके बाद मुझे ऐसा लगना शुरू हो गया था शायद आई विल नेवर हैव बेबीज. पूरा आई लॉस्ट माई होप कि बिकॉज आई एम अ वेरी पॉजिटिव पर्सन. मैं कुछ भी नेगेटिव नहीं, आई डोंट रियली थिंक नेगेटिव एंड ऑल्सो दैट पॉइंट was very very down for me. And after that we thought we need to take a break, of course. So we took break for 6 months and then we tried again naturally. We thought ki ho jayega, and doctor said that sometimes God is not ready for this. And even she said that I'm such an educated doctor, but still I feel that we are not God, and why it's not happening without any reason, maybe God is not ready for it. So we were like, okay chalo, let's try again. And 6 months हो गए and everything, and नहीं हो रहा था. So then again we thought कि चलो, third time is the, you know, that's the charm. It's a charm. And we were very hopeful कि हो जाए. It was December, November, December. मेरे eggs obviously थे उसमें, मुझे दोबारा IVF नहीं, मतलब वो करना, freeze करना पड़ा. And we tried again. And this time मेरा पूरा mindset था, ये मैंने ये सोचा नहीं था कि नहीं होगा, but मैंने कोई hope नहीं रखी थी. I was not preparing कि हाँ हो जाएगा. So I remember कि it was 1st of January, and हमने test करा घर पे, and oh my God, I was pregnant. Goosebumps, I know. And I was pregnant. वो जो line आ रही थी ना, we couldn't, and me and my husband were home. हम घर पे दोनों अकेले थे. We were on the floor crying, and we were not believing. I was sending pictures to my doctor that please tell, is it true, am I pregnant? And that was the best day. And उसके बाद of course मेरे husband का अगर role play अगर वो करे तो वो पूरी cricket team खड़ी कर दे. He's like, he just want kids all the time, and he was like कि अब तो हमें twins ही चाहिए and all that. And I'll tell you one more thing कि how destiny plays. हमने all the time India में जैसे 2 to 3 एग्स डालते हैं, एम्ब्रियोज डालते हैं उसमें, बाहर नहीं डालते, बाहर सिर्फ 1 डालते हैं. एंड मैंने थर्ड टाइम में बहुत रिसर्च करी, बहुत रिसर्च करी, एंड आई वाज लाइक कि मैं इस बार 1 ही डलवाऊंगी बिकॉज 1 के चांसेस ज़्यादा होते हैं. सो मैंने 1 डलवाया, एंड इमेजिन इट स्प्लिट इनटू 2. Why? Because God wanted it. 1 embryo can never shift, you know, वो बहुत rare होता है कि वो 2 में split हो जाए. And then when we got to know that, you know, we have twins in the 2nd month, we were on cloud, I think 20 and 100 and everything. We was the happiest. First 3 months were very difficult. I was vomiting and vomiting very bad. रोड पे vomit, कायनात में vomit, घर पे vomit, रात को 3 बजे vomit. Very bad first 3 months, but उसके बाद it was all very beautiful. I was working till my 9 months. I was 9.5 when I delivered, which was again a miracle because 7-8 में twins में delivery हो जाती है. And my doctor said one fine day, आंचल आप wait कर रहे हो कोई complication आ जाए, कोई कुछ हो जाए तो just get it done.
Now it's time.
Yes, he said कि अभी के 10th month पहुंचना है.
God is like, now it's your time.
Now it's your time. And I remember 21st को उन्होंने बोला कि अब आप करवा लो, and 23rd को I delivered. So this is my IVF story, and I'll say that again. So this is my IVF story, and I think every woman who is trying to through IVF, or they are losing hope, just know that you have to keep trying. Rest, it's in God's hands.
Yeah.
God's hands. You just keep trying. Let's go to my studio, a place where I spend my maximum day, and there's so many hidden corners there. I would really like to show you my what do you say, a dream place,
Yeah.
and
I would love to see.
yeah. Let's go.
Maybe
Let's
try on some clothes. Also.
Yes, please. Let's go.
Let's go.
Welcome to my La La Land. This is where we style brides, and
It's so beautiful.
my dream place.
Yeah.
Beautiful store.
We feel like getting married now.
Uh,
Just because for the clothes.
I'm gonna style you both.
Oh, yeah. So Anchal, now we are in a beautiful store, and we're going to start the conversation from where we left. So we want to talk about female friendships. What is your take on it? Do you have any friends who are your 3 a.m. friends, or girls who are your supporters,
Haters.
haters?
So when we talk about 3M female friendships, those are my twinnies. Now they are my 3M female friendships. But I'll tell you honestly, I'm a very private person. I don't really have many friends. Just like I'm very picky when it comes to friends. My husband is my best friend. And now from past few months, I have been meeting amazing people who have actually pushed me that I shall go out and do something, show your private life. And I never, I even asked, one of them is Tanvi. I don't know if you know Diet Tanvi.
Yeah, I've heard, yes.
Yes. So she has been pushing me from a while now that, why don't you go out and put yourself there, and people want to know about you. And I was like, ki, why are you doing this? I mean, you yourself is a known personality, and आप ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो? आप क्यों चाहते हो कि मुझे भी ऐसा हो? And she said, because I see so much potential in you. And then another one is Sahil Malhotra,
The makeup artist.
the makeup artist, yes. And he also tells me that, come out of it and just open up your life. So I've not really met people who push you down till now. Whomsoever I have met, I've always, by God's grace, gotten a positive feedback. And when we talk about jealousy, I'm sure there must be people who are jealous of your success and everything. But like I told you, I'm a very private person, so maybe they have not confronted on my face, but शायद private account बना के करते तो होंगे. अभी थोड़े दिन पहले ही किसी का message आया था from a private account, 000 followers and everything. English 0% and accent 2000%.
Oh God.
This was very funny. I don't really take seriously hate comments, and उसमें सिर्फ ये दिखता है कि वो लोग कुछ कर नहीं पाए, so उनको
Right.
they want
Putting
कि-
someone down.
Yes,
It's frustration.
it's frustration actually. So I don't really go to the. I mean, मैं उन्हें block भी नहीं करती because मेरी team ही कर देती है. बाकी comments.
Let them stay now. Let them see the show.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you, the more publicity you get, even if it's hate comments,
Yeah.
commenters कर क्या रहे हैं? तुम्हें publicity तो दे रहे हैं ना? So we are totally fine with it.
Used to.
Used to it, yes.
Yeah.
So when you are on social media, any kind of publicity is good
Good
publicity.
publicity.
Yeah.
Also, when you're on social media, you'll get all kind of people, haters and lovers. So just embrace it. And
Yes.
Yeah, just be comfortable.
Yeah.
with who you are.
So Achal, tell us, you have a beautiful team. I think they're very hardworking. So, but have you ever dealt with any bad experience like?
It's been 10 years I've been running my brand, and my team has been with me, like my Master Ji and my few team members, they are with me from past 10 years.
Okay.
I will just quickly make you go through it. A quick incident which happened recently. One of my ex-employees, she was working with me from like almost an year, and she was literally like a family to me. And वो हमारे कायनात के साथ थी, and she was very very close to babies. although she was a manager, store manager, but then उन्होंने सब कुछ करा उस 1 year में, in the sense very close to the babies, मेरे को pregnant देखा, मुझे delivery करा, so you know like मेरी बाकी सारी family है, so वो भी बहुत ही हम बहुत attach हो गए थे, सबके साथ हो ही जाते हैं ना जब हम किसी के साथ 24/7 रह रहे हैं. And suddenly after 1 year, one fine day, she told me that she's getting better pay somewhere and she's leaving, which is okay. People go for better salary, and if I'm able to give, I can give. Otherwise, I can let them go. That's okay. Now, 1 month बाद, I get to know that my master ji, जो मेरे साथ 10 years से है, he tells me कि, you know, I need a change of job and I want to leave. And then मैं बहुत shock हो गई थी and very very hurt. I was very hurt and I asked him that why, any problem या salary की कोई problem है या कुछ, and उन्होंने मुझसे problem discuss नहीं करी. उन्होंने already वो अपना plan कर चुके थे and already वो interview भी दे चुके थे. So that was very shocking for me कि ऐसा कैसे हो गया. उनको obviously पहले भी offers आते होंगे, right? And suddenly after 2 days मेरा जो handwork manager है, he also was in the plans of the same, but then वो बहुत ही मेरे से what do you say confidant है मेरा and बहुत close है, सभी ये लोग बहुत close थे. somehow मुझे कहीं से पता चला कि ये जो ex employee थी, she has been bribing all my people, because why will a person do that? क्योंकि उससे पता है मेरी टीम कितनी strong है, उनको पता है मेरा जैसा master जी is very difficult to find. तो what she started doing, she started stealing my people. And that came out to be so shocking. Shock सबसे number 1 हुआ कि वो जो इतने ज़्यादा close थी. And now, you know, 1 minute में we feel कि was everything fake? जो वो moment spend करी है, was everything fake? And then second was like कि तुम चले गए, ठीक है, बट तुमने जो 1 year स्पेंड करा हमारे साथ, तो एटलीस्ट उसमें अपना अब पूरी लाइफ के लिए उसकी जो रिस्पेक्ट है वो हमारे पूरे 45 पीपल के सामने जीरो हो चुकी है, बिकॉज वो पीछे से उनको ब्राइब कर रही है. वो जिस जगह पे काम कर रही है वो चाह रही है कि वो मास्टर जी को भी ले जाए, वो हमारे हैंडवर्क वालों को भी ले जाए, देन वो मेरे यहाँ के मैनेजर्स भी ले जाए, मेरे हेल्पर्स भी ले जाए, एंड देन उसे ऐसा लग रहा था शायद वो एक नया कायनात स्टैंड कर देगी. बट उस सिली गर्ल को ये नहीं पता था कि कभी भी एक जो ऑलरेडी एस्टैब्लिश ब्रांड है, तुम कॉम्पीट करो, बट तुम अगर ऐसे कंपटीशन करोगे, so then you will lose it.
You can copy the original, but original
तो रिमेन वही रहेगा ना. एंड ऑब्वियसली अगर वो एक हेल्दी वे में करती कि अपने आप बिल्ड करे, कुछ करे, which is great. आई एम तो इनफैक्ट अप फॉर इट. उसने मुझे फर्स्ट डे बोला था कि मेरे को अपना ब्रांड बनाना है, तुम बनाओ, बट वो जिस जगह पे शी इज वर्किंग एज एन एम्प्लॉय, उसका ब्रांड भी नहीं है वहां पर, पता नहीं उसको क्या नंबर्स बढ़ा रही है, वो क्या कर रही है कि उसको शी वांट्स कि मैं यहाँ पर सबको ले आऊँ. एंड थैंकफुली मुझे ऑन टाइम पता चल गया, क्योंकि मेरे जो लोग हैं वो उसको ये नहीं पता था दैट हम कितने क्लोज हैं. उसको लगा मैं थोड़ा ब्राइब कर दूंगी, पैसे दे दूंगी, तो शायद मेरे पास सब आ भी जाएंगे, एंड एवरीवन इज ह्यूमन, वो हो गए डिस्ट्रैक्ट. बट देन आफ्टर ऑल हमारा बॉन्ड इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग था कि वो नहीं गए कहीं भी. सो दिस इज द लेसन टू दैट गर्ल एंड ऑल द फ्रॉड्स हु आर डूइंग, कि फेस पे लिटरली मैं ऐसे लोगों से बहुत कम मिलती हूँ, पता है. आई एम माई सेल्फ इज वेरी इमोशनल ह्यूमन बीइंग, और मैं बहुत जल्दी अटैच हो जाती हूँ, तो मैं बहुत सोच समझ के अटैच रहती हूँ पीपल से. आई डोंट रियली गेट अटैच ईजली टू पीपल, बट व्हेन आई डू, आई डोंट नो, मेरे साथ ऐसा दूसरी बार सेकेंड टाइम हुआ है कि मुझे ये हर्ट ही मिलता है वापस. सो मैं आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, मेनी ईयर्स, मैं 2-3 days बहुत हर्ट रही थी, थिंकिंग दिस कि कोई ऐसे हमारे साथ 1 year स्पेंड करा है, एंड देन शी इज डूइंग समथिंग. तो दैट्स व्हाई, यू नो, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू ट्रस्ट पीपल दीस डेज. अपना काम करो, ठीक है, अच्छा फन, यू नो, यू लाफ एट योर वर्क प्लेस एंड एवरीथिंग, बट डोंट गेट अटैच्ड. एंड ये जो ऐसे वाले लोग होते हैं ना, दे डोंट रियली गो एनीवेयर, कहीं नहीं जाते, वो वहीं के वहीं रह जाते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत और कमा लेंगे, बट उनकी रिस्पेक्ट जीरो होगी सबके सामने.
For long run, it doesn't work.
Also, that's how you build credibility. I mean, अगर आप एक के साथ कर सकते हो, वो आप दूसरे के साथ भी कर सकते हो, and वो करोगे because that's in your nature.
But ऐसे लोग trust issues दे जाते हैं, which is very bad.
I know.
But it's fine.
Yeah,
God is
Life
with us.
moves on.
हर तरह के लोग मिलते हैं.
Yeah.
It's good. Like that's how we learn, and that's how we protect ourselves.
Right.
Good. I mean, good riddance. So, Anchi, we have a game for you, which is called What's Your POV? And we're going to throw some questions at you. So, are you ready for that?
Yay, I'm definitely up for it. Let's go for it.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Coffee or chai?
I guess cold coffee.
So coffee goes.
Yes.
Lots of caffeine.
So, do you like an LBD or shimmer?
I'm definitely a shimmer. I'm a glam girl. Yeah.
Who's more dramatic, your mood boards or your toddlers?
My toddlers. No one can beat that drama.
So a clean studio or creative chaos?
Creative chaos. I like that.
Yeah. Who plans a date night, you or your husband?
Mostly me, but he executes it very sweetly.
Oh.
And what is the most random thing that you bought because your influencer friend was promoting?
Yes.
A face roller which made me look just like me, so it was a total waste. I used it just once.
Heels or sneakers?
Sneakers for life, heels for reels.
Oh, I like the answer.
And weirdest DM you've ever got?
Can I borrow your twins for content? Duh. Block. Immediately block.
What, really?
Oh my god. The audacity, like, people actually do that?
Can you please name this person?
I forgot. That's what it is. Block, immediately block.
Oh God. Your favorite influencer?
I really like Komal Pandey. I love the way she's so creative. So, yes.
We have asked this question to a lot of people and a lot of people have named her.
Yeah.
Komal Pandey.
Komal
Komal Pandey.
Pandey.
She's very good.
One content creator you don't like?
I don't really, I'm honestly saying, I don't really have the time to go and check everybody. जो मुझे नहीं पसंद है, तो जो पसंद है उसको मैं देख लेती हूँ.
But still you get like, you know, when you're scrolling, कोई reel आ जाती, but you don't like the work or like content they are making.
Maybe, but you know, I've not seen the name. वो मैंने ऊपर slide up कर दिया. So I don't really, honest answer.
Okay.
Okay, your most toxic trait?
The feeling that I can handle everything, and although there are a lot of people around me to help, but I feel that let me do it and then I burn myself out.
Complete the sentence, I'm a misfit because...
Because normal is boring and my chaos is mild dramatic. I'm not following any rules. In fact, I have never done that. I'm quite bold in that phase. I follow my own path. I don't really socialize, which everybody knows, and that's why they keep on, you know, pushing me. Rather, I would spend my time with my family and concentrating on my work, because Kainat is my dream. It's my passion. It's many times sleep depriving, but I think this, because imperfection is the new perfection.
So Aanchal, you are a perfect misfit like us, and we love that about you. And also we need to tell you that everything about you is so warm. We love your vibe, and we loved your home, we loved your store, and we wish you all the best for everything in life.
Your home and your store is just like you, warm, beautiful. Thank you for having us. Hi! So cute.
Hi, baby! Baby, can you say hi?
Hi!
Hi!
We have a little misfit with us.
Yeah.
Hi, Tushana! It's time for the...
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
Yeah,
It's a
It's a
wrap.
wrap.
Can you do high five? High five. Can you do high five?
So now the babies are here. We're going to spend some girls' time together. And we're going to chill together, and we're going to try on some clothes. So...
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.